Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, battery, optical drive or optical drive dummy, hard disk drive assembly or solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, modem module, top cover, and system board. Removal. Important! Ensure that the display panel assembly is properly braced to prevent it from falling backwards and damaging the display panel assembly. Important! Make careful note of the routing of the RJ-11 connector cable for later replacement. Remove the RJ-11 connector cable from the routing channel on the base enclosure. Remove the RJ-11 connector from the cradle in the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the RJ-11 connector into the cradle in the base enclosure. Route the RJ-11 connector cable through the routing channel in the base enclosure.